The citric acid cycle, the third stage of a cellular respiration. This is also called the Krebs cycle because a biochemist, Sir Hans Krebs, in 1937 discovered the metabolic reactions. The citric acid cycle takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. To be more specific, the inner mitochondrial membrane, and it has 8 stages. The reaction for this stage is an acetyl-CoA, 3NAD+, an FAD, an ADP, and a phosphate to produce 2 carbon dioxides, 3 NADHs, 3 hydrogens, an FADH2, an ATP, and a CoA. This cycle will happen twice, and the end result should have 2 ATPs produced. And it also happens twice because the glucose molecule yields 2 pyruvate molecules. To start, 2 acetyl-CoA molecules from glycolysis and a glucose molecule from the pyruvate oxidation enter in the cycle to react with an oxalacetate to form a molecule of citrate. In steps 3 and 4, it is then oxidized, releasing the NAD+, and it also reduces the NAD+ to NADH and a hydrogen, also releasing a carbon, producing carbon dioxide, which is then moved to waste. This happens in both steps. In step 5, the citrate has now turned into succinate A because of the release of the succinyl-CoA. The energy produces the ATP directly by substrate level phosphorylation. In step 6, succinate has been oxidized to fumarate, and FAD has been reduced to form FADH2. In step 7, fumarate then produces to malate and the water is added, and in step 8, malate becomes oxidized to oxalacetate, and also reducing an NAD+, just like in step 3 and 4. Now the process will happen again, now producing 2 ATPs. And now with the release of this energy from stage 3, stage 2, and stage 1, it is ready to go to stage 4 and complete one of many cycles of the cellular respiration.
Created using Powtoon.